and my ethics number is 253811.
Hi, I am Kamaru bin Mohaimin. My metric number is 253802.
We are from Pahang.
This video is about nature in Pahang. Let's go.
One of the nature in Pahang is Tioman Island. Tioman Island is an island in Rompian District, Pahang, Malaysia. It is located 32 kilometers off the east coast of the state. The island has been most attracted place because of its natural view. People go to the island by ferry that was provided for. The densely forested island is sparsely inhabited and is surrounded by numerous coral reefs, making it a popular scuba diving spot. The view of the ocean is very beautiful and interesting. There are many resorts at the Tioman Island, such as Salang Pusaka Resort, Fire Beach Resort, Sun Beach Resort, Tioman Fire Resort, and Fire Paradise Resort. Every resort here has a nice ocean view. We can see the green color of water. It is also a
After Tioman Island, one of the compulsory places to visit for those who love the nature is Chamang Waterfall. Chamang is the best place who love the beauty of nature and also enjoying lots of enjoyable activity with friends or family, such as camping, kayak, and so on. It's the most suitable place for those who want to reduce stress bonding with others. After signboard at the entrance, we will enter the hanging bridge, which is one of the trademark at Chamang Waterfall. One of the main reasons people come here is to have a picnic with family or friends. This is because it has a lot of places where it is suitable to have a picnic. Otherwise, you can also have camping activities at Chamang Waterfall. There are many camping sites for us to go camping. We can do a lot of activities such as barbecue and campfire. The stream are not too wide and the water condition is fresh and not too deep.
Created using Powtoon.